with just the starter. I'm not proud of it, but I've had to do it just a few times. So I gotta get all my straps out and figure out how I want to strap her down.
Little boy, where's your tractor?
Where's the tractor?
Where's the tractor we just bought? Where is it?
Where's the tractor? There it is.
It is. It's behind us on the trailer, huh? Well, she made it home. Little boy's helping getting her unstrapped, and we'll get her started. The tire aired back up because it went a little flat on us on the way home. Get the tire aired up, get a cold start done on her since it's cold this morning, and get her backed off the trailer.
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna start working on the bee here. We got her home yesterday. I had to roll her off the trailer because she wouldn't start. So we got some new plugs. Got new plugs in everywhere. We figured out why it didn't have spark already, but by the time we did that, and it was this little wire right here. It was connected down here to the magneto, so I pulled it off. It's just a kill wire. But by the time I figured that out, it's like, well, I might as well just put new spark plugs on it. This tractor was painted 20 years ago. 20 years ago is what we were told. So we decided it needed new spark plugs. So the spark plugs, you could tell, were painted with the tractor. So we're like, nope, let's just put new plugs on it. So we'll get these put on here, get the plug wires put back on in the correct firing order. So I gotta figure that out again. It's in the block here somewhere. And once we get that done, we'll go in the house, get Chrissy and Theo out here. It's technically Chrissy's tractor. And let her do the honors of starting it back up. Alright guys, I got them on there. Fire order is 1, 2, 4, 3. So, got her all there. I'll pick up my tools, go with Chrissy and Theo, and we'll see if she'll start. So, bear with me. Yeah, we're only firing on, I think, 2 cylinders. Not great. Alright guys, I'm going to keep you along for the ride on this one. So, decided, since it's only firing on number 1, I'd take the cap off, clean the cap, clean the points, see if I could get a better spark. No such luck. So, that mag is coming off, and going that mag over there, and there's 2 Fairbanks Morris mags in my pickup over there that came with this tractor. So all 4 of those are going back to the mag shop in the Midwest, and we're going to rebuild the Fairbanks because that's what belongs on this tractor. And hopefully that solves it. I just got off the phone with them, so unfortunately she's going to be sitting here a while. But that's the best solution I got at the moment. So to be continued.
All right, everybody, we're here, little boy included, to see if she's gonna run today. Hopefully we get lucky. We got a new magneto. We're gonna put it on, get her timed, and hopefully she runs.
Another one onto there. Get the other piece. Top, here in a minute. It's gonna run.
Come on, baby.
Come on, sweetheart. Might be why.
There's a girl.
Well, we got her running. Took us a minute to get the timing just right. We got it timed, and she runs pretty nice. Not too shabby. There goes Mommy in her tractor. Easy. And Mommy's B forward is more throttle. And there she goes. Her B works. Look at that. She runs, guys. This is Chrissy's tractor. They're not perfect right now, but it's a lot better than it did the other day when I only had it running on one cylinder. Clutch is a little jumpy on this tractor. Very tight steering though.
Yes, he did. The brakes work very well since he rebuilt them. They actually probably need a little more adjustment, but Daddy the tractor pro showing off.
How much is in this thing? I don't think very much. This should be enough to go back and forth to Marty's real quick. Like I said, it's pretty sure it's a rattle can paint job.
I think it is too, but we'll fix that. I'm looking forward to a new battery box. That one makes me crazy.
Battery gonna stay in there when I drive down the road.
It's wired in. It should. I don't think it'll go anywhere. Hey, little boy. What do you think of the new tractor? Is it pretty cool?
Like, I like them on, but puddle.
Not as cool as a puddle. That's okay.
What are you doing, fella?
All right. We're gonna start her back up, and he's gonna take her down to the neighbor's house and let the carb really get cleaned out good.
Fancy fuel stick.
With our fancy fuel stick.
Should be enough to go back and down the neighbors and back pretty easily. Oh yeah, lots of fun. Because we're just about done with this. Because it's starting to rain. So we're just about done working on tractors for the day. Yeah.
Theodore, come here.
This is definitely Chrissy's tractor. Oh, it's kind of a pain in the butt to get onto. And it's getting a new starter too, or a new Bendix on the starter.
You can't go every time, bud. And with that, we'll get her tucked away in the barn for now. In just a bit after she cools off. And I'd say that was a successful day.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Comment, like, subscribe for more.